Welcome to today's show. Today we're going to make a leather case for your sunglasses or any glasses. And so we're going to use this, I don't know if you can see it on there, 7 to 9 ounce Veg Tanned Roma leather. So let's get started. Alright, I have this microfiber cloth for my Serengeti glass case. Just going to trace it out here. So I'm using a square here to make sure this corner is 90 degrees to get started. Just to trim this up a little bit. Okay, we'll get this side trimmed up. Okay, we're going to cut out this square. Then we'll see what that looks like when we're done. These are the sides, so I'm going to cut them out 2 inches by 1.5. Okay, let's do that. Okay, I'm going to round the corners here so they sew together better using this ruler. Around the corners. You can use anything to round the corners if you want. It gives a little curve. See, that's going to be good. Okay, I'm going to do the rest, and then we'll get back. So here they are finished up. We'll stain them now and see how they look. There we are, all done. So here's the end pieces. With the inside and the outside. That's how it looks. So we'll let it dry. I did the inside too. We'll let it dry and then we'll finish it and we'll come back. Now we're going to put, well, it won't focus in, but we're going to put some satin leather finish on here. Okay, we're back. So I finished this all with wax, beeswax, and then I buffed it out. Then I made a mark all the way around here. All, where are they? There. All these pieces. So we're going to start punching them. And we're going to continue punching holes down the side, each side. I overlap 3. That way it keeps it straight along the line. So here are the pieces. I'm going to go take an awl, and I'm going to take the awl through all of them first. I'm going to do them all. Then I'm going to do all these holes, and then we'll start sewing. Here's the end all done. Sewed all around. Just follow the piece around. And I'll have to smooth it out here when we're done. But here it goes. We'll do the other side now. Here it is. Done. So we sewed that side. We sewed that side. Just started here and worked our way around. And here it is. So we'll go see if the glasses fit. So now we're going to burnish the ends. We're going to put wax on the beeswax for all the ends, and then we're going to shine up. So put beeswax all there. It's all shiny. We take the stick and we rub it like that to, if you can see that, bring it right in. Makes it all smooth and shiny. I haven't figured out how I'm going to close it together, but I'll think of that. I'll get back to you. Okay, here I've measured where the snaps are going to be. Right there you can see the mark. So we'll cut them in using these. We'll see how that goes. Right on the mark there. And we'll do both of these holes and come back. So I took these here and measured that side and this side here like that. There we go. We'll put a little mark. Make sure that's even. Little mark right in there. And the same with this other end. There we go. Put a little mark there. And then we'll punch these holes out. Okay, we're going to try to put these snaps on now. I couldn't get this part underneath there, so we're just going to go with the flat part. We need this little piece right here. And we'll put it on. Okay, there you see it's on. I hammered it 5 times. Looks good. So we'll do the other one and get back. Okay, we're going to do the other side now. And we use this end, put it on there in the cup. Push that on here. There we get it so it doesn't move around. We'll hit 5 times. Better hit it more. There. Yeah, okay, we'll do the other one, come back. We'll do this last one. I should say I got these from one of my buddies at work. So thanks a lot. Push these in, get that all lined up, hit them 10 times. If you hit it too many times, it's too tight, and if you don't hit it enough times, it's too loose. Okay. There, look at that. It's all done. There's the sunglass case. Let's get my sunglasses and try them. Okay, let's see if they'll fit. I have this case here. It's broken, so let's see it. Here it is. Put that cleaning cloth in there first, just make sure you have one. In the bottom. Just put them in like that. Get to see that. Just snap her shut. Good as gold. Alright, thanks for watching. If you like it, subscribe. Let's see what the next project is. Later.